let's put the luggage rack onto the little Monkey 125cc. Alright, first things first. There's a screw right here by the gas tank. You gotta take it out. There's a screw on this side of the gas tank. You gotta take it out. You need this tool right here. It is considered a 12 millimeter. It makes it easier if you have an Allen wrench, but that's only on the factory bolts. So you take that off, you take your seat off. To get your seat off, when you get these bolts out here, you just tap your seat this way. Tap your seat this way, and it lifts this lever. If you look at it, it lifts it that way. But anyway, when you get this, it comes with bolts. You don't have the Allen wrench, but who cares? It's still a 12 millimeter. But anyway, then you need to get this. You see that? That's a 14, and it fits these. Loosen those, squeeze it in between there on each side. Common sense 101. And then you get these bolts that came with your little kit. And you just start screwing them in. And then after you get those screwed in, you want to screw these in first, okay? And then tighten these. You want it to be aligned perfect. So, and then you put these back in with your seat, of course, because who wants to do all this without it being perfect? But, all right, have fun.